Dear learners, today's lesson is on need and importance of research in physical education with suitable illustrations. The learning objectives are need of research in physical education, importance of research in physical education with suitable and necessary illustrations. The first one, to develop further research. Research is the base for every development. Say, for example, see the ancient Olympics and modern Olympics. The development is because of the periodical research in the field of sports and physical education. Without research, there is no growth in any field, including physical education and sports. So, for further development, you have to do the research in the field of physical education. To facilitate environmental conditions. That is, through research, we find the need to facilitate proper equipment and sophisticated laboratory facilities. Best use of environmental conditions to give best performance. The altitude, the height from the sea level is affecting the performance of the sports person, especially in the jumps and throws. Say, for example, the height of the Chennai city from the sea level is 6.7 meters, whereas the Ooty is 2,240 meters high. The same way, different cities in the countries, different cities in the world will make and influence the performance of sports, especially in the jumps and throws. So the fast free flap is one of the best example to overcome the gravitational force, to work against the gravitational force, to lift against the gravitational force. The fast free flap is the one of the best example for research to overcome the environmental hazards. The same way, there are so many researches are going on to overcome the environmental hazards and to use the and to best use of the environmental conditions to improve the sporting performance. To bring professional competency. The development and dissemination of scholarly knowledge is impossible without research. Professional competency is nothing but the ability, the skills to face your profession or to discharge your duties towards the profession with all your talents and skills. So so the professional competency in the field of physical education is very much necessary and it can be developed through proper research to face your profession and the challenges from the other professions also. To find new generalization, broad view with old data. What do you mean by generalization? A statement about a group that is true for most of the group. Say, for example, a chili which is green or red, but it is hot in nature. The same way, the research results can be generalized for a group of peoples for the betterment of their performance. To find new generalization, broad view with old data. Almost every day, new performance, new records are being created in sports and games. Not because human potential has suddenly increased, but because principles of various advanced training methods are being extended in training programs. Say, for example, in 1900s, the 100 meters performance was 11 flat, whereas now the new world record is 9.58. So it is because of the research. The old data can be analyzed to give a new ideas, to develop the new training methods. Research minimizes effort and increases efficiency. Research minimizes all human effort by employing utility of videos, audios, projectors, computers, softwares, smart boards and LCD projector for the teachers. New improvised and innovative training methods are developed for players to improve their performance. Say, for example, the water exercise. Brudanko, a Russian sports medicine specialist, developed the water exercise method. Is a fun and popular water and sports physical therapy, the training method for maximum result with minimum effort for athletes, the general public, and those recovering from injury. In 1956, a 5 MP hard disk drive is huge in size. To lift that, we need 5 to 6 peoples, whereas now 1 terabyte micro SD card is even smaller than your fingers. It is because of the research. So the research minimizes the effort and maximizes the efficiency. So the research in the field of physical education and sports minimizes the effort of the players and maximizes the efficiency. Research brings confidence to the teacher. The benefits of the research are unlock hidden potentials, explore uncharted intellectual vistas, encourages deeper understanding, challenge leads to growth and innovations, undaunted in the face of obstacles, encourages effective thinking, and the end result is resilience. The peace can be get through your research experience. Research needs to adapt physical education for physically challenged and special children. The physically challenged and special children enjoy and they need participation in games and sports and physical activities. The research helps you to develop curriculum for physically challenged and special children to enjoy and participate in the sports and physical education activities. Research leads to the development of appropriate curriculum, the proper curriculum for the field of physical education. To make the curriculum design effective for different age, different sex, and different standards in the field of physical education and sports, a proper research helps them to prepare the appropriate curriculum. Say, for example, the new educational policy is developed due to the research done by so many educational experts including the physical education and sports experts. So that is sports is given proper importance in the curriculum from the primary to higher education. To improve methods of teaching, the pedagogy, the science of teaching is improved because of the research done by so many experts in the field of physical education and education. The teacher-directed teaching method and student-directed teaching methods are implemented because of the research. Say for example, the lecture or showing telling methods, worked out examples, interactive lectures, flipped classroom, Socratic questioning methods, discussion-based methods, scenario-based method, case-based method, collaborative learning method, inquiry-based method, problem-based method and project-based methods are developed in the field of education and physical education because of the research. Now the teaching is more focusing towards the students' benefit rather than the point of teachers. Research is necessary to bring teacher to an active research program. An active research program will make the teaching active. The physical education teacher who involved in the active research program can able to impart scientific physical education for the children. Research is essential to develop better thinking. The quality of research has been improved only through deep thinking. Thus, the term research is highly essential to the physical education is to think critically and analytically. Analytical thinking is the mental process of breakdown complex information or comprehensive data into fundamental parts or basic principles, whereas the critical thinking is the mental process of carefully evaluating information and determining how to interpret in order to make a sound judgment. So, sound judgment in the field of physical education can be possible only if you are involved in the research process. To explore new training schedules and methods. Without research, there is no exploration or discovery and verification in the field of physical education and sports. The new training can be developed by doing the scientific research in the field of physical education and sports training. To explore new training schedules and methods. The research helps you to develop the new training schedules and methods. Say, for example, the target zone is moderate. The intensity of the training is 70 to 80 percentage. The duration is 10 to 40 minutes. The physiological benefits are enhanced aerobic power, improvement of blood circulation. The same way you can explain to your players what is your training zone, what is the training intensity, what are the physiological benefits, what are all the psychological benefits. So the research helps you to develop and explore new training schedules and methods in the field of physical education and sports. Research increases prediction. Physical education research aims at the developing prediction in all the dimensions of education, including physical education. Known to unknown is the basic concept of prediction. Say, for example, the cricket prediction softwares were developed due to the prediction research in the field of sports. It is based on the weather reporting principles. The weather is forecasted through the old and available data, and the weather is forecasted the same way. The player's performance in the tournament, the team performance in the tournament can be predicted by analyzing the available data, the old data, through the proper statistical procedures. So the prediction helps you to develop the training methods so that you can have the good performance of the teams and players in the tournaments to come. With the progress of research, the tools and techniques of analysis become modernized and up to date. Say, for example, you can see the performance of the players by laboratory tests. It is possible only through the research. The physiological parameters of the players can be measured by treadmill test. The new equipment can be developed to perform, even including the athletes of special needs. The biomechanical analysis of cricket and other games have helped improve the performance of the players and to minimize the errors by understanding their movement. The movement analysis is possible through the different laboratories in the field of sports science, including the sports biomechanics. Research helps us to understand the role of sports sciences. Say, for example, the exercise physiology, the sports physiology, the sports psychology, sports biomechanics. The performance of the players can be improved through the role of sports sciences, and the injuries can be minimized by the knowledge of sports sciences. It is only because of the research in the field of physical education and sports. Thank you. For further queries, you can contact me in the given address. Bye.